to hit record. Well, I'm eating yogurt. Gross, non-fruity yogurt because we haven't gone to the grocery store. And according to my Fitbit, this is like almost 800 calories. Well, I kind of overestimated how much I put in here. But yeah, I am really, really full. I didn't realize how filling it would be. I don't want to waste food, but I'm wondering if I should just eat half of this because it's telling me that I can only eat, like, how much? I can only eat 400 calories for the rest of the day. And this is just my breakfast, so thinking I'll save it or something. 300 calories on gummy worms isn't that bad, right? So today I had a bunch of crazy vegetables. I had like this thing from Pita Jungle that was just a bunch of squash and mushrooms and peppers and tomatoes and different types of beans, rice, and tofu. But I didn't eat that much of it. It made me really full. And now I'm eating gummy worms. Because that's what I do. I've been drinking lots of water all day long. I usually forget to hydrate myself throughout the day, so... Do you hear that clicking? That sound is Armando playing Minecraft.
What?
You guys should give me a challenge for tomorrow, or for someday this week. I say you guys like I'm talking to both of you when I'm probably just talking to Amanda. But I have a horrible time planning out my meals, like thinking of what I'm gonna eat that is healthy. So that's why I end up eating like really strange things or not eating at all.